Hi, Paul Hefty here with the Triangle O football system. I want to talk about our Indy 500 package where we're going to use a wide stack alignment and our fire tempo. Let's take a look. The Indy 500 system is a concept I got from Mike Urich, the offensive coordinator at Penn State in 2021. Why we're doing this is you'll see it'll force the defense to spread and equate numbers very fast. And we're going to be able to communicate it all in one simple RPO concept. Simple and fast for us. What we're doing is a unique 3x1 wide stack into the boundary, and then couple that with our zone RPOs and fire tempo. How we're going to do this is simply chunk everything together. One signal does it all. And we're also going to have this auto pre-snap of the smoke or bubble RPO, just like a stretch run. All right, the alignment's real simple. We want to call this actually into the boundary. So if the ball's on the near hash, then the three receiver bunch is going to align between the sideline and the numbers. Ball's in the middle, they'll align right on the numbers. When the ball's on the far hash, then they'll split the difference between the numbers and that hash mark. We can also do a squeeze tag anywhere, and that just condenses the bunch where they're 3 yards outside the offensive tackle. All right, here's our first RPO concept. We're going to run Indy left with split zone left. You can see the directional call Indy left sets the bunch to that direction, and then the quarterback is looking pre-snap. If he has numbers for the smoke screen, he throws that now. If he doesn't, then we're just going to run our split zone to the left. Simple, sound, and fast. Next, then we can go ahead and go slice zone with it. Again, this is Indy left, fire, again, tempo, but now we're going to go ahead and be able to read out the back door on the defensive end. So we have a pre-snap for the smoke screen. Don't have good numbers, then we go ahead and post-snap read, give or keep on the defensive end to the backside. Now, typically, you're going to be able to get the smoke screen at the start because they'll have trouble equating numbers quickly. Once you've done that a couple times, then they'll go ahead and balance up, and you can go ahead and use a shot play. And this is just our north lightning. So we go Indy left. Again, we're going to go north lightning. We don't have to go fire tempo here. But again, we're going to go ahead and fake the bubble and go. Building off the split zone concept, we can go with our slice screen. Again, we would go Indy left, fire again, but now we're going to give the signal for slip screen by the wide receiver. Quarterback's going to pre-snap for the smoke. If he's got numbers, take it. If not, then he's going to post-snap read, a slip screen on the defensive end to the backside, where he can give to the back, or you can throw to the Y or keep as the third option. Next thing you can do with the Indy split zone concept is do something that Joe Moorhead talked about, the offensive coordinator at Penn State in the 2016-2017 season when they won the Big Ten championship. He always talks about you can block the read key, you can flat them, that's the slip screen, and then you can bluff them, and this is where we do a slice corner. So we simply would do an Indy left with a C signal, slicing cross now. Still fire lightning. Quarterback is going to pre-snap, look for numbers on the smoke. He doesn't have it, then we're going to post-snap read the defensive end again with a give to the back or a keep, and then throw corner over the defensive back. We always want to be able to stretch the field vertically in any of our concepts. So our 4 verts out of the Indy package is going to be a free release by the B-back running the wheel up the sideline. The Y still runs his bender read, and then we'll be able to do nice switches with the A and the Z, and the X doing the check down in the middle. Again, quarterback's going to read this just like he always does with 4 verts. We would call this Fire Giants Lotto to the left, so he's going to read the goat or the backside safety. We're going to look inside out, but you can see if we've got one high, we should have a good matchup with the Y and the back up the sideline. Last are some complementary concepts as you build the system. First is speed option. We're going to go Indy left. Again, the quarterback will first look pre-snap for the smoke screen. If he doesn't have numbers, then we're going to go post-snap run option on the defensive end, running our speed option to the right. Great with a dual threat quarterback. Next is toss sweep. It's great when defenses start to shift heavy to the 3 receiver stack. So we'll go Indy left, and then we're going to go fire toss sweep to the right. Last is using our backdoor series. We're going to go Indy left, and we can run our power to the backside away from the Y and free release him now running an RPO pre-snap with a smoke screen and post-snap with the will backer. This would be an Indy left, then we'll do a peak signal for the Y to free release, and we'll add our bill call telling us we're doing backdoor reading the backside will, post-snap RPO. You can see we can go really fast. You can use all of your core concepts starting with split zone and still be very explosive, forcing the defense to react quickly. Thanks.